Hey everyone, how are you guys? We are back for another weekly check-in. This is going to be week 2 and 3 for August spending, and if the camera is a little funny or the angle is funny, it's because I moved my desk around in my apartment, and it's just, I'm trying to figure out how to film overhead now. So it probably looks different because it is a different filming setup, and I apologize if it's not perfect right now. But anyway, I know you guys are here to check out what I've been spending for the month of August. So before we jump into it, thank you guys so much for watching. I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to this channel. It is a newer channel for me. I'm restarting it, so I'm hoping to build this channel up with everything, budgeting, planning, all of that. Please hit the notification bell as well so you know when my videos are posted, and you can follow me on my main channel on YouTube as well. Okay, let's jump right into it, you guys. These are my stickers right here. I mean, if you guys have watched my previous one, you guys know these labels are from Planner Kate. I will leave all the links and info down below. I also have the no spend stickers from Planner Kate. And yeah, this is the little color-coded key for what each color means in my weekly spending. So there's that. Let's just jump right into this since we're doing 2 weeks this time. All right, so August 9th, let's just jump right into it. On August 9th, we did go to Target. And for Target, that was actually a personal purchase. Now, I did go to Target the day prior apparently, but this was not planned. I got my period, it was that time of the month, and I had nothing. I didn't have any pads left, I had no tampons. I literally ran out of everything, so I had to run to Target and just stock up on all of that. So that was $13.28. The next day, I did go to sushi with my friend Natalie. We went to all you can eat sushi. Sushi dates are our thing. I love going out to eat with my friends, and that's just kind of what we do. That's literally our thing. Uh-oh, this is not straight. Okay. So I spent $31.67, and also that day was the release of Desi Perkins limited edition sunglasses. So you guys, I have not purchased anything from Desi at all, like ever, and I love her as an influencer. She's one of like the realest influencers that I know. So I spent $190 on sunglasses. I got 2 pairs of sunglasses, and I don't regret it. I absolutely love the 2 pairs I got, and if you follow me on Instagram, you can check out one of the pairs. I just posted a picture on my Instagram of one of them, and I absolutely love them. They're really different, they're really cool, and they were about $85 each, so I did spend $190 that day. Okay, the next thing that we have here, oh, look at this, you guys. See, this is what I mean when, like, you look at your month, you try to balance it out. This is what I mean, because our next purchase was not until the 15th. So I did go again out to dinner with some girlfriends. We got Ethiopian food. I am obsessed with Ethiopian food currently, and I get it again later in the 2nd week. And if you guys have never had Ethiopian food and if you're like vegetarian or vegan, they have amazing vegetarian options. You guys, Ethiopian food is just seasoned so amazingly. I can't stop eating it, and it's healthy. So definitely check it out if you're into trying different cuisines. The next purchase was Aldi. I went grocery shopping just for I think only like a few produce items, because I only spent $6.55, and that was on Tuesday the 17th. So we only spent a little bit there. And then the next purchase was Thursday the 19th, and when I tell you, when I become obsessed with something, you guys know I am obsessed with it. So on the 19th, I got more Ethiopian food. I tried a different Ethiopian spot closer to me. This spot we went to was in West Philadelphia, and this was more in like Center City Rittenhouse, so that was very yummy. And you guys, this day I bought one platter and it was 3 full meals. So for $19, 3 meals for $19 is a bargain, in my opinion. So that's how I justify it. Whatever. Okay, the next thing we spent money on in the second week is actually in household. I did go to, let me move this. I did go to Costco with Natalie because I just ran out of like, I was getting low on toilet paper and just like paper products and, you know, like paper towels and stuff like that. So I went to Costco, and obviously I live by myself, so every time I go to Costco, I don't go back for like, I don't know, almost like 8 months to a year. So I spent $71.85 at Costco for like household items. And then the only other thing that we spent during the, you know, these 2 weeks was I got gas. What day did I get gas? On Saturday the 21st. So that is everything. I am so proud because you guys know how flustered I was when I first laid down this first week. I was spending so much money throughout, you know, a day, and now looking at it, you know, the second and third week I only spent a little bit here and there, which is why I love doing this and like writing it out and showing you guys that when you realize how much money you've spent, it makes you want to, you know, hold back as much as you can, which is exactly what happened, because this is aggressive, but look at how like little, like look how little, and there's a bunch of no spends. So here we are. This is the exciting part. I'm going to lay down my no spend stickers, and we're going to see how many no spend days we have in the past 2 weeks. So we have Wednesday. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, you guys. There's like, it's raining. There's cars going by. No spend on Thursday. No spend on Friday. No spend on Saturday. Look at this. I'm so excited that there's so many no spends. Saturday. No spend on this Monday. Okay, and then one more. We have a no spend on this Wednesday. All right, so in the past 2 weeks, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 no spend days. That is super awesome. I'm really excited about that because, yes, you know, when you try to pull back, it really does work. When you see everything, when it's all laid out, it really, really does help. So if you guys are new to my channel, that's my budget. This is the weekly check-in here. So we have week 2 and week 3. But what I do basically, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I go through week 2 and I see what I spend in groceries. So week 2, I didn't really spend anything. I didn't spend anything at all in groceries. So in week 2, all we spent was from the pink here, which is personal, and eating out, which is purple. So I'm just gonna add these numbers up, and yeah. So I just added the 2 pink ones up for week 2, and I spent, oh my gosh, $204.08 in the personal category, and then we ate sushi, $31.67. So let me check these off while I'm here. $31.67 for eating out. $31.67 for eating out. Groceries, nothing. No transportation, no household. So what I do now is I take the remaining number from the week prior. So I $38.80 from eating out last week remaining. $38.80 minus $31.67, which equals $7.13 remaining. All right, and then for personal, obviously we are over budget, but for personal, Remaining last week, we had 81.82. Oops, 81.82 minus what we spent, $204.08. So we are negative $122.26. So that's what we're over. Whew. All right, and then the rest of the numbers remaining, we're just gonna pull down because we didn't spend any money on groceries, transportation, or household. So we're just gonna pull these numbers down. 58.01. I'm sorry, my handwriting's terrible because I can't write over these rings. Transportation, $8.40, and then $88.93 for household. All right, now I'm just gonna do the same thing for week 3. So I'm gonna flip back, and in week 3 for groceries, we have Aldi, $6.55. So that's what we spent there. Eating out, we spent, it looks like Ethiopian, 25, Ethiopian, so 25 plus 18.90, 43.90. Okay. Personal, let's check those off before I forget. Nothing in personal. Personal is pink, so there's no pink that week. Next is transportation. We did spend $20 on gas, so we'll check that off because we're writing it in. $20. And then, oh my gosh, my handwriting's terrible. Household was Costco. That was the last one, $71.85. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take now these numbers because, you know, that's the prior week. So 58.01 minus the 655 we spent. So we have 51.46 remaining for the last week. I have to write in, I'll write it in now so you guys aren't confused. We do have one more week in August, which is week 4. So I'll write that out. Eating out, we had $7.13 remaining, and we spent $43.90. Now the whole purpose of this obviously is to try to stay under budget, but you know, life happens and I just need to adjust my numbers for September. That's what this process is, to try to keep you as low as possible, but you know, you still want to be able to live your life. And I always say that. We didn't spend anything in personal, but we're still negative $122.26, so we'll write that in. Transportation, we had $8.40 left over, but we're gonna subtract the $20 we spent on gas. So we are $11.60 over. Household, we had $88.93 remaining. Is that right? Oh my gosh, this is negative $88.93. Oof. That's rough, you guys. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. So we are over negative $160.78. Oof. Okay. Oh, I forgot to write totals. I'm just going to total it out later. But yeah, there it is. We are clearly, can you guys see that? I'll move it over here. We are over budget in eating out, personal, transportation, and household. So yeah, it is what it is, you guys. That's what my August looks like right now. I'm going to do the last week 4 check-in and close out the budget for you guys in the next video. Or maybe I might have my savings challenge video up. But that video will be up for the final closeout of August. I'm kind of scared, but we already see the numbers. We're over budget. I'm not going to beat myself up about it. Just gonna move on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys will stay, subscribe, stick around, hit the notification bell, follow me on my other channel and on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!